Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Hotels.com affiliate program login, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with the Hotels.com affiliate program, first, navigate to the Hotels.com affiliate program website. Once on the site, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access the authentication page. On the authentication page, you will see fields for entering your username and password. If you already have an account, input your registered email address in the username field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check your details to ensure they are correct before moving forward. If your credentials are accurate, click on the Sign In button to access your affiliate dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, which usually involves receiving an email with a password reset link. Once you receive the email, click the link to create a new password. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can track your performance, access promotional materials, and manage your account settings. If you encounter any issues while logging in, ensure your account is not locked for security reasons. Consider reaching out to customer support for assistance if you still cannot access your account. Now you are ready to start promoting Hotels.com and earning commissions as an affiliate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.